Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're exploring a product that promises to change the way you think about customizing your foundation. I'm talking about the TEMPTU SB Silicone-Based Shade Adjuster, designed to help you fine-tune your SB foundation shades with precision. It's a liquid formula available in 7 primary colors, including the violet shade I've been testing, and it's tailored for combination skin types. The product is non-comedogenic, oil-free, and comes packaged in a handy bottle that makes mixing simple. The Shade Adjuster is essentially a pigment booster, allowing you to tweak your foundation to achieve the perfect tone. Because it's silicone-based, it blends seamlessly into silicone-based foundations without affecting their texture or finish. I found the violet shade particularly interesting, as it's meant to neutralize sallowness or dull undertones in the skin. The formula is highly pigmented, so a little goes a long way, which is something to keep in mind when customizing your foundation. In practice, incorporating this into my routine was straightforward. I simply added a drop to my foundation, mixed it, and applied it as usual. The color blended effortlessly, and the finish remained smooth and natural. I tested it both for daily wear and for longer periods during the day, and it maintained consistent coverage without separating or becoming patchy. The usability is excellent, but you do need to measure carefully, because over-adding can shift your foundation too far from your natural shade. One of the major strengths of this product is the precision it offers. You can subtly adjust your foundation without having to buy multiple shades. It's also travel-friendly thanks to its compact bottle. On the downside, it's a niche product. You really need to be comfortable experimenting with foundation shades to get the best results. Also, since it's silicone-based, it works best with silicone-based foundations. So mixing it with other formulations might not yield the same smooth results. Considering the price, the Shade Adjuster offers good value if you frequently struggle with finding the perfect foundation match or like to customize shades seasonally. The pigmentation and blendability justify the cost, especially if you compare it to buying multiple foundation bottles just to cover different undertones. For those on a tighter budget, smaller sample sizes of multiple foundations can achieve a similar effect, but it won't offer the same convenience or precision as the TEMPTU Adjuster. The build quality is solid. The bottle is sturdy, the dispensing mechanism is controlled, and it minimizes product waste. Since it's a liquid pigment, it's durable and long-lasting if stored properly, and I didn't notice any degradation in quality over several weeks of use. If you're already familiar with TEMPTU as a brand, their reputation for professional-grade products holds true here. While I haven't personally interacted with their customer service regarding this product, the brand is known for reliable support and professional guidance if any issues arise. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Overall, the TEMPTU SB Silicone-Based Shade Adjuster is a highly effective tool for anyone looking to customize their foundation with precision. It's best suited for those who enjoy fine-tuning their makeup and want a reliable, long-lasting formula that blends seamlessly. While it's not essential for every beauty routine, it's a game changer for those who value versatility and perfect color matching. Thank you for watching. If you've tried this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. The link to purchase the TEMPTU Shade Adjuster is in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.